put it into race mode for a second as well, just for a bit of banter. Good morning, welcome everybody. It's 2020 and today should be a really good day. In fact, it should be a really good day because we're off to a runway. We do like a runway, and I'm going to meet Petrolped and Dave from Bimmer Deals because we're filming a video. Basically, in fact, let's just give you a little first gear acceleration. Here we go. But also for you guys in this little video, some of you guys have asked for more POV style driving. Well, I've got myself in my bag down there a hat and a little clip, so I can do some POV with this, the 4C, on a runway, and basically just yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Top tip, when going on a long day's worth of shooting, you need to stock up. So we've got the sandwich, we've got the Red Bull, we've got the water. And yeah, most of the time when I do these kind of filming sessions, I completely forget to eat. So I planned ahead now. We are not far away, and I'm waiting. Petrolped is, we're going to reunite very soon. But the problem is the M1 was shut, so we've had to take a slightly different route. But yes, we are not far away now. We are 1 hour and 14 minutes away. Let's do them. Alright, so we've arrived at Buntingthorpe. You can see Mr. Petrolped ahead of me. And for those who haven't been to Buntingthorpe, this is kind of like a bit of a car graveyard. You can hear Pete's car, sounds unreal. It's a bit of a car graveyard because a lot of manufacturers, they bring their cars here for storage. You can see there's a load of Citroens parked over there, but everywhere, Land Rover, so many of these cars are all parked up here. And but yeah, we're not here to look at the car graveyard. We're here to have some fun in this. So where's the runway? Oh, look at that! Welcome to Buntingthorpe if you've not been here before. A place of dreams where you can turn the traction control off and have some fun. So here we are, guys. We're fully point of view, and this is something that you guys have asked for a while. So I'm going to bring you along on a bit of a point of view drive, I guess. Now the thing with the 4C, you can really lean on it. This is where it comes into its own. Look at that. Oh, it's fantastic. Now if I go straight past here, we'll go to the nice little runway, and you can I can do a 0 to 100 mile an hour test for once, because I don't really get the chance to do that normally, especially on the public road. You don't want to be doing that. But yeah, we can do a nice little launch control as well whilst we're at it. So here we go. A dynamic launch, guys. Bit of wheel spin. Here we go, we're nearly at 100. I'll slow down, I don't want to burn the brakes out. Slow down nice and gently, and it is a very quick car, this thing, and that's the beauty of it, is the 4C, it's so light, it picks up speed so quickly. I'm going to put it into race mode for a second as well, just for a bit of banter, because there's a very nice kind of old school plane here actually. Let me show you that. Let's slow right down. See, Buntingthorpe is pretty much kind of like the graveyard for planes and stuff. That's a big old thing there. Look how long that runway is there, guys. Guys, you'll remember that me and Joe raced here. That was great fun. Right. Oh, a bit of donuts. The thing is, this car is so difficult to donut. I'm going to turn it out of race because we don't need to do that. It's so hard to donut this thing because the front has got no weight in it whatsoever. and most of the obviously the engine's just kind of back here, as you can see. But there's nothing. Right, here we go. Do the window up. Bit of fun. See, the launch control on this car is unreal. And we'll back off a bit. We're not doing any VMAX 200 runs here. Should go back into race. I think we'll go back into race. Let's see how far. Does the back go? Yes, it does. You've got to be really quick, because the back, when it goes, it really snaps. That's the problem with this car. Something like an M2 or, you know, rear wheel drive, even a Giulia Quadrifoglio, even, because all the weight is in the front, you don't have to worry about such an aggressive snap. It just means that you gotta have your wits about you. Definitely gotta have your wits about you. Now a little cheeky turn here as we come in. Little course here, look at that. The car just taking it beautifully, and the back going. Yeah, that's quick. Very quick car, very fun car, and a very snappy car. Oh, that's good fun. That's very fun. Oh my gosh, that is great fun. And I know you guys have asked us a point of view driving for a while now, and I hope that you guys at least got the chance to see me at least be able to go relatively quickly and show you the speed here at the epic Bruntingthorpe Aerodrome. But yeah, this place is cool. We've lucked out with the weather today, guys, because the last time I was here with Joe, it was pissing down with rain, so we got much more grip in this, and it was definitely much more fun. You can see all the crap that splashed up over the side here. But as I said at the start, this is an aircraft graveyard, and yeah, it's gorgeous. Such a gorgeous car. I hope you've enjoyed it here at Bruntingthorpe with some point of view driving. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.